Hey guys, KRB here, and today we're going to be testing a turkey wrap by the Domestic Geek. I never even knew you could make turkeys wrap, but here we go. First up, we're going to chop up all these little cherry tomatoes, and then we're going to dice up this avocado from Mexico. After we have those cut up, we're going to make a nice little bed of romaine lettuce on the tortilla for the turkey to take a nap on. Bring those tomatoes and avocado back over and put those on top. And now we're ready for the absolute best part, the bacon, with ranch drizzled on top, of course. As you can see here, I put way too much stuff in these tortillas and they just buckled under the pressure. They expanded almost as much as my waistline did in 2020. Now, they look really good, but let's see how they taste. Pretty doggone good. I like the crunch from the bacon and romaine, and the avocados and tomatoes and ranch really add a lot of flavor too. Thumbs up for this recipe for sure. Here's the ingredients list so you can see how much it costs and how long it took me to make this. The link to the original video is in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope you have a fantastic day.